What if you need to sell your house, but you need the money from your house to purchase home B? That's exactly what I want to talk about today. There's a number of options that most homeowners don't even know. There are multiple ways for you to make home contingency plans. So everyone knows that I'll purchase your home on the contingency that my home sells. Well, when it's the opposite, and let's say you're representing the seller and you're trying to get them somewhere else, you can do what's called a reverse contingency, where my house will sell only if I have a signed executed contract with home B. That way your seller's safer and you can move forward with the positioning. Now, if you need to sell your house, if your home sells first and then you use the proceeds for home B, you'll be fine. If for some reason there's going to be a delay, you can use what's called a bridge loan. And that's going to just bridge the amount of time that it takes and use those funds to close. And they, of course, will charge interest and make money on it. But it's a flexible form for you to actually have that closing. So don't forget the contingencies. You can do 2 purchase or 2 sell on the contingencies. And also you can also negotiate a post occupancy. And what that is that my house sells, I will pay rent for X amount of days. And then from that day forward, you have that amount of time to actually move into your new home. It can't be more than 59 days. Banks will not lend on that because they want the actual person living in there to be there, especially if it's a primary residence loan. So, all right, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information will be below.